I am going to share the success stories of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Association from the previous National Council, that is 28/11/2020 to 27/11/2021. Youth Program. President Scout Guide Rover Ranger Certificate Examination restarted after a gap of 5 years. Digital Scouting introduced in the organization as a membership retention strategy. Number of youth-related programs and activities conducted during the pandemic at regional and national level. The Bharat Scouts and Guides and UNICEF India tie up for the project U-Reporter and Generation Equality. Sankalp Part 2 project tie up with UNICEF Yuva program. The Bharat Scouts and Guides logo is now highlighted in Yuva and UNICEF portal. About 20 new literatures useful for youth of the organization is published. National headquarters circulars are now made available in Hindi to facilitate the youth. Many youth-related literatures are now under active process to translate into Hindi. Uniform compulsory item rates reduced up to 50% to provide cheaper items to our Scouts and Guides. 50% sponsorship to Rovers and Rangers for participation in international events was provided from National Headquarters during 2021 on virtual platforms. Second National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides is established in Darjeeling in partnership with Bharat Scouts and Guides West Bengal State Association and in collaboration with Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling. 434 youth of the country attended and experienced the adventure of Darjeeling till date. National Adventure Program for the youth were successfully organized in the new areas like Dehradun, Manali and Goa. Centenary year of Rangering was successfully celebrated virtually at different levels. Scout Guide Film Festival, Social Media Icon Award and Outstanding Scout Guide Award were newly introduced in the organization. National Youth Committee was formed. Members of the National Youth Committee successfully organized virtual events like career counseling, COVID-19 vaccination awareness, etc. Newly introduced National Program Committee meetings organized on virtual platforms. Youth Colloquium, a new event introduced for the youth. 7th Youth Colloquium were successfully organized. 58,801 female voices added to capacity building and making important decisions on U-Report platform. Our youth represented virtually in Global Youth Summit organized by United Nations. Our members represented in World Conference, seminars, workshops, jamborees at the global platform organized by the World Organization of the Scout Movement and World Association of Girl Guides and Girl Scouts. For the first time in the history of the organization, Bharat Scouts and Guides nominated the youth to contest the election to World Scout Youth Advisor. Bharat Scouts and Guides nominated the youth to contest the election to Regional Youth Representative taking place during 10th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Youth Forum in February 2022. BSG is conferred with Messengers of Peace Global Hero Award in 2021. We congratulate Mapaping Scout Group from Bangalore, Karnataka for this highest honor. Bharat Scouts and Guides has bagged bronze prize in 19th APR photo contest and silver prize in 20th APR photo contest of the year 2020 and 2021 respectively. Adult Resource Management. Digital Scouting introduced in the organization as a membership retention strategy. Adult leaders courses like Pre-LT and ROT organized for both the wings. Newly introduced National Training Committee meetings were organized on virtual platforms. All performers as per the scheme of training is updated with the latest amendments in rules of the organization. Two courses for assistant leader trainers, Scout Wing, was physically conducted with 116 participants, and one course for assistant leader trainers, Guide Wing, physically conducted with 48 participants successfully. Course for leader trainers successfully organized physically with 55 participants. Participation of Bangladesh Scout Association made the course an international one. Basic course for commissioners of Chhattisgarh state was successfully organized. Reorientation course for trainers for Rajasthan state was successfully organized at Jaipur. Pachmari Day visualization on the occasion of 65th anniversary of National Training Center. Dr. K. Khandelwal, Chief National Commissioner, is conferred with APR Chairman's Award, and Dr. Cyrus Wadia, LT Scout of Maharashtra State, is conferred with APR Award for Distinguished Service for their outstanding contribution. Governance. 3 books, that is APRO Part 1, Rules, Memorandum and Bylaws of the National Association with new amendments is newly printed. One set of complementary copies is sent to all the state associations. Honorable President and Honorable Chief National Commissioner had several meetings with the Honorable Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports and Secretary MOYES, Government of India, pertaining to President Scout Guide Rubber Ranger Certificate and other organizational development matter, including Hindustan Scouts and Guides. Honorable President Bharat Scouts and Guides met Honorable Prime Minister of India and apprised about BSG activities around the country. Honorable Chief National Commissioner and President had a meeting with Shri Purushottam Rupala, Honorable Minister, Government of India, regarding Hindustan Scouts and Guides. Honorable Chief National Commissioner approved the gratuity ceiling limit to rupees 20 lakhs for the staff members of Bharat Scouts and Guides, which was previously 5 lakhs with effect from 1st August 2021. Workmen compensation policy taken for the contract and project staff members for a sum insured up to their 1-year salary. Employees of the national headquarters were facilitated by joining with LIC of India towards new group leave encashment plan against the on-leave liability of the 64 confirmed staff members of the organization. Employees of the national headquarters with their family members is facilitated with group health insurance policy for a sum insured of rupees 5 lakhs per family. Employees of the national headquarters is facilitated with life insurance policy for a sum insured of rupees 7 lakhs. The Bharat Scout and Guides is registered with ESI for medical assistance. Safe from harm policy and child protection policy document is ready to be implemented in the organization. For the first time, Code of Conduct for Elections policy in the organization at all levels is prepared and implemented. Policy on litigation and legal advisory management of the Bharat Scout and Guides is prepared and implemented. National Strategic Priorities on Vision 2024 of Bharat Scout and Guide is reviewed and action plan for the year 21-24 is prepared. Professionals of National Headquarters started to work on the action plan. Annual grant in aid for the year 21-22 is sanctioned by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport, Government of India for scouting guiding activities. The national events physically will resume from December 2021. National Level Award in the name of late G. Rangarao, former Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, is introduced for National Headquarters professionals comprising of secretarial and ministerial staff as a source of inspiration. As a commemoration of 71st Bharat Scouts and Guides Foundation Day, a delegation led by Dr. Anil Kumar Jain, Honorable President, visited Rashtrapati Bhavan and pinned the flag day sticker to respected Rashtrapati Ji on 12 November 2021. Financial Management. Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters has received various projects with financial support from WOSM and WEX. That is, WEX TTPC Hero Level rupees 1.45 lakhs, WEX Sharp Smart 2 rupees 8 lakhs, WEX Harworld Harvoice rupees 100.25 lakhs, WOSM membership growth rupees 148 lakhs, WOSM Amphan Cyclone rupees 0.71 lakhs on humanitarian action by BSG West Bengal State, WOSM Yes Cyclone rupees 0.71 lakhs for humanitarian action by BSG West Bengal State, WOSM Flood Relief rupees 0.71 lakhs humanitarian action by BSG Karnataka State, WOSM 3 new Ticket to Life projects rupees 3.7 lakhs for West Bengal, J&K and Himachal Pradesh, WOSM 2 old TTL projects rupees 2.96 lakhs, financially supported with rupees 8.34 lakhs to West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides for infrastructural development of the Kharsiang Darjeeling campsite, which is now running with the simultaneous effort of NHQ and BSG West Bengal. POT project started at NTC Pachmadi, rupees 2.21 lakhs collected. Bharat Scouts and Guides has signed MOU with Rotary India Humanity Foundation for the project Total Literacy and Quality Education. Rupees 1.79 crore is sanctioned. Develop online shop and new products are added in the supply service department with quality supplies. Adventure programs are promoted with financial incentives to event promoter as a source of inspiration. Friends of BSG is promoted and donors are felicitated by the organization. Communication. Social media. Regular updating of activity in different social sites, live events, promotions, circular, etc. Started region-wise social handles. BSG is active in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Successfully monetized the YouTube channel of BSG. Digital Scouting. About 500 virtual youth-related programs and activities, adult training courses, virtual meetings, workshops, seminars at regional and national level. NHQ also supported in conducting virtual events and meetings to the State Association on request. The Bharat Scouts and Guides news channel in English and Hindi was launched on 8 November 2020. It provides information on event highlights and knowledge about our movement. It is telecasted every Sunday at 8 p.m. onwards through BSG YouTube channel. Zumba, a new digital fitness program, was launched and is live telecasted every Sunday at 9 am. Website for visibility. Develop new designed international standard website for the visibility of the movement. Human resource management. Implemented HRM software for BSG staff. One step forward for digitalization. Online Youth Membership Registration System. Online Youth Membership Registration portal has been relaunched with all necessary amendments, where about 557,000 members registered as on date. Tutorial on OIMS is made available in BSG YouTube channel. Branding. To make the movement globally visible, NHEO started branding of all BSG items. State association will be covered under BSG branding. BSG started redesigning of all the certificates, books and forms in new format for better visibility. Learning portal. New website for online basic course is designed. Work under active progress. Ready to launch very shortly. All the state will get administrative right and regional language can be used in teaching aids. BSG mobile app is launched on Pachmari Day. App will come under implementation in the organization on Founders Day, Thinkings Day, that is 22nd February 2022. Membership growth. Bharat Scouts and Guides Membership Growth Sale Office is opened at National Headquarters with adequate staff and facilities. 3 state membership growth coordinators training successfully organized at National Headquarters and Southern Railway. 15,249 candidates had undergone online and physical beginners course as on 15/4/2021. 6,650 new units opened. 1,33,140 new members recruited in the organization through beginners course. 7,375 girls and young women have been enrolled as rangers and unit leaders under HWHB program of empowerment. Skill Development Project. Following skill development projects of the Government of India are under implementation by Bharat Scouts and Guides. Sikho or Kamao. Ministry of Minority Affairs project. Bharat Scouts and Guides has been allotted a project under the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India, a target of 407 candidates to be trained and placed. Total revenue against the above target is about 3.5 crores. DDU GKY, this is a Ministry of Rural Development project. The Bharat Scouts and Guides receive a target of 280 candidates to be trained and placed in apparel sector. Total revenue against this target is rupees 1.95 crores. DDU GKY Uttar Pradesh. The Bharat Scouts and Guides receive a target of 540 candidates to be trained and placed in customer care executives and retail sale associates costing around rupees 3.8 crores. DDU GKY Rajasthan. The Bharat Scouts and Guides applied for the project in the state of Rajasthan in October 2021. Project application is under consideration with approval with MORD. Tentative project cost will be around 5 crores. PMKVY. This is a Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship project. Total amount received as grant in aid from National Skill Development Corporation is rupees 3.49 crores. Haryana Skill Development Mission. This project is sanctioned by the Government of Haryana. The Bharat Scouts and Guides received a target of 2,500 candidates to be trained. Total revenue against this project is rupees 6 crores 44 lakhs 17,500. This is all the achievements, the success stories of the Bharat Scouts and Guides for the last 1 year. Thank you.